Look at Barbonsu fighting there. Didn't he do well to keep it in, and legally too, against Ajayi? Barbonsu! He wants a debut goal. He's very direct. He is full of vigour and hard. He needed some finish from that angle, but even so, he's a second favourite here. And look at the desire here. Nothing wrong with that challenge. Having got there, wonder if there was a better option than the one he took. Why not? If it flies in the corner, no problem. Speaking of which, at the other end, this is Dessert. Free down there. And what players they are, more on them in a minute. Ghana looking to halve the problems here. Barbonsu with the give and go, and he's quick enough to get there, needs a good ball, and he's found one. Not a lot of room in there. Still nearly made it happen though, didn't he? Good effort from Brandon Thomas-Asante, what a force. Barbonsu making things happen, sharp pass. Sharp turn too, and shot from Brandon Thomas-Asante. That's a good ball, and a great run. Three in the middle! What a goal that is on the counter! And it's a first for Ghana, not only tonight, but for Brandon Thomas-Asante. Brilliantly taken, game on! Ghana's problems are halved, really well made. That is a super run, a great pick out, and a finish to match. Credit to all three of the Ghanaians who made it happen. And a wonderful moment for Brandon Thomas-Asante. It's only his third cap, he'll never forget that though. His first goal for the Black Stars, and it's a... Here's Urenki to Barbonsu. Two debutants here who've absolutely loved tonight. One from the start and one as a sub. Barbonsu, oh what a ball! And what a chance for 2-2 at the far stick for the skipper. Jordan Ayew on the slide. We have seen some deliveries tonight though. The assists have been brilliant. It was a tough angle. He was well beyond that far post, but even so, Ado asking how that could have happened. That's a foul, but advantage will be played. Iheanacho, there's a ball in behind, it's brilliant from Iheanacho. Dessert, was he bumped? Stuart Atwell says no. Well, it's a good-looking corner, and it's Caleb Urenki with the header. A 19-year-old who's had such an impressive debut. Say Caleb Urenki has done that. Pure desire got him there. Just needed a more glancing blow. There he is again, and nicely done. Ajayi onside. Trying to find some room, now trying to find a teammate. Urenki's there again, another climbing header, and again it's over the top from the teenager. He has really caught the eye. The veteran of the squad picking out the baby of the squad here. That would have been lift off for the Ghanaian fans who've just gone a little quiet, having been bouncing all night long. The length of added time made it take that. Here's Urenki again, went for the early layoff. Nice, Thomas-Asante with the cutback. Here's Abu Francis. Now Ajayi. Oh, beautifully done for Francis. Oh, what a stop that is. Maybe a game-winning stop from Stanley Nwabali, who hasn't had that many saves to make in this game, but that one is brilliant. And Abu Francis against the fierce rivals Nigeria, who would have surely taken us to penalties. Look at that from Ajayi. The finish is clever too, but the goalkeeping is excellent. He's a big fella. He got down sharp here. The new coach has got 2 wins and a draw so far since taking over Nigeria, and he will have a chance to win the Unity